In this video, we will discuss about the differential mode of operation of MOS differential pair. Differential mode of operation means when different input signals are applied at the gate of Q1 and gate of Q2. The difference between the input signal is given by VID equals BGS1 minus BGS2. Here at the gate of Q2, ground potential is applied, and at the gate of Q1 we have applied a voltage VID. So the difference voltage is VID equals BGS1 minus BGS2. Suppose that VID is positive, means BGS1 is greater than BGS2. In this case, when BGS1 is greater than BGS2, the drain current of Q1 ID1 will be greater than drain current of Q2 ID2. We already know the drain voltage VD1 and VD2 can be given by these equations. So when ID1 is greater than ID2, then VD1, which is the drain voltage of Q1, will be less than VD2. VD2 is the drain voltage of Q2. I am taking the output differentially in the manner VO equals VD2 minus VD1. So when VID positive, then ID1 will be greater than ID2, so VD2 will be greater than VD1. In this case, output voltage will be positive. Consider second case. If VID is negative, means if BGS1 is less than BGS2. When VGS1 is less than VGS2, in this case ID1 is less than ID2, and when ID1 is less than ID2, then VD1 will be greater than VD2. See these two equations. When ID1 is less than ID2, in that case VD1 will be greater than VD2. So in this case the output voltage will be negative. It means if we apply differential voltage at the two inputs, then we will get a voltage across the two drains. Means at the output of differential amplifier we will get a voltage VO, which may be VD2 minus VD1 or VD1 minus VD2 according to our connection. In the positive direction, if ID1 equals I and ID2 equals 0, it means entire bias current is flowing through transistor Q1 and no bias current is flowing through transistor Q2. It means Q2 is switched off and Q1 is on. In this case BGS2 will be BT, because we already know the drain current is given by I equals 1 by 2 Kn dash W upon L in bracket BGS1 minus BT का whole square. In this equation, if we put I equals 0, consider the case of ID2 equals 0, put I equals 0 here, and at the place of BGS1 write BGS2. So BGS2 will be BT here. Now consider ID1. In this case, total drain current is I because the entire bias current is flowing through transistor Q1. So ID1 will be I. Gate to source voltage we will write as VGS1. So VGS1 minus VT will be under root 2I upon K and dash W upon L. Simplify this equation, we will get VGS1 equals VT plus under root 2 VOB, because we already know under root I upon K and dash W upon L is known as VOB, overdrive voltage. This overdrive voltage is corresponds to bias current I by 2. Now the value of VID at which entire bias current will flow through Q1 is given by VID maximum equals VGS1 minus VGS2. Put the value of VGS1 VT plus root 2 VOB and VGS2 is VT. We will get VID maximum equals under root 2 VOB. This differential input voltage VID maximum is the voltage at which entire bias current will flow through Q1. Transistor Q2 will off. Means if the input voltage, differential input voltage is less than root 2 VOB, then current will flow through both the transistors. If input differential voltage is greater than root 2 VOB, in that case Q2 will switch off and entire current will flow through transistor Q1. Similarly, in negative direction, the VID minimum is given by minus root 2 VOB. It means if the input differential input voltage is less than minus root 2 VOB, in that case the entire bias current will flow through Q2 and Q1 will switch off. It means the range of differential input voltage is given by minus root 2 VOB to plus root 2 VOB. The range of differential input is between minus root 2 VOB to root 2 VOB. Within this range, the bias current will be divided in transistor Q1 and transistor Q2. Means the current conduction will take place through both the transistors. When VID is greater than root 2 VOB, the transistor Q2 will be switched off. The entire current will flow through Q1, and when VID is less than minus root 2 VOB, the transistor Q1 will switch off. In this case, the entire current will flow through transistor Q2. So this is the range of input differential voltage.